Municipalities and infrastructure professionals have been using 2D aerial photography for years to add context to GIS, such as the road center lines and building footprints shown here. Aerial imagery provides a picture of what the existing conditions are really like. But what if your image was 3D, an actual surface model that showed your entire service area with photographic realism and accuracy? How could you apply such a model to your day-to-day work? One simple application is measurement. How wide is that street? Or with 3D, how tall is that building? Any part of the model can be quickly snapped to and accurately measured, and the value can be used to update the height value in the GIS database. GIS data can be imported and overlaid on the model in much the same way as aerial photographs. Here, we see the model on its own, overlaid with building footprints and also road center lines from GIS. Property values can be edited as required based on information from the reality model, such as height of building or elevation of roof. GIS layers can be associated with the model to add another level of context. Here, we use the data browser to query all land use polygons and then filter for different classes. We can quickly see where the industrial, parkland, and residential classes are and locate them on the model. Zooming in, we can see the buildings under the selected land use classification and the properties associated with those buildings. And standard GIS tools such as thematic mapping can also be applied to the model. Here, we see the building mapped according to their type. Bentley Map can import and georeference BIM models to show how a new development would look in context. Here, we see an example of a BIM model showing the exterior components only. Next, we see the reality model showing the existing building. The existing building can be masked out and the new development referenced directly in place. Bentley Map's excellent interoperability capabilities makes this kind of operation simple and visually very accurate. And of course, visualization is a key use of reality models, GIS, and BIM. 3D models can be created directly from the reality model using Bentley Map's solid modeling tools. Here, we are using existing building footprints as a base. To simplify things for the user, the entire model is clipped so that only the area of interest is shown. The footprint is projected down to the ground level to produce an LOD1 model. Further roof details can be added by drawing on the model and extruding as required. The roof components are extruded to the height determined in the reality model. When complete, the properties of the building are updated with any new information, including the height of building and elevation of roof. Finally, the edits are posted to the user's spatial database. Reality modeling, in combination with GIS features and building information models, effectively creates a digital twin of your city of infrastructure. The city of Helsinki is a pioneer in 3D modeling and are now incorporating reality models with their GIS and 3D models to create this digital twin. Such a model supports a variety of applications. Bentley Map and ContextCapture work together to provide a real-world model of your city and infrastructure. This digital twin shows an accurate representation of the existing conditions with the reality model and maintains a semantic model with up-to-date business properties at a level of detail required by the city. Both models are highly accurate and highly integrated to provide maximum benefits to the municipality.